Happy Aloha Friday, everyone. Here is your shaka for the week. Yes, alright. Hope you guys had a good week. Hope you guys found some stuff. I know you guys, if you have RLC, you guys got some stuff in. Got this one. This one was last week. So we gotta open this because I seen everybody opening it and it is insane. The color is gonna be crazy. So I got this, these two for the ROC, hooked up, met up with the good brother Gregory. He found me some stuff that's dropping in stores. Yep, that's the new EK, the one and everything. I love it. And then the new Toyota FJ Cruiser from that Fast and Furious set, matte blacked out. We gotta open this thing, man. This thing looks sick. Matchbox Tuk Tuk. When I went to Philippines, that's all I saw on the roads. It's pretty awesome. Pop Race, one of my favorite diecast companies besides Hot Wheels. Pop Race, because they roll detailed, awesome. Got this from my good other homie Sean B. So we are gonna open this up. We're gonna look at it. I did get, he also got Gregory also got me some Ultra Hots that I have not been able to find because I have not been hunting. So he hooked me up. One of my favorite castings, the AE. Shan the man, like I've been telling you guys, good friend of mine, man. Awesome brother. His whatnot, everything starts at $1. Don't matter what it is, it's insane. He wanted me to do a custom, so you know what? I'll turn the camera around. Let's turn the camera around. Let's get this party started. I'll show you what he wants me to custom. Let's open some of these up. Probably not going to open up this Camaro, giving that to my good friend. But let's turn the camera around. Hope you guys had an awesome week. Thank you for all the support. Like, comment, subscribe. It helps the channel out. Let's turn this camera around, man. Let's get with it. Happy Aloha Friday. Best day of the week. Right, we are turned around. You know what? Let's crack this Tuk Tuk. In the movie Indiana Jones, where were they? Thailand? I forget where they were, but when I went to Philippines last, I guess October, this is all that, what, it comes off. This is all that was driving around. It was pretty crazy. I did get to ride in one of them. Very awesome. Super dangerous. But yeah, look at the weathering too on this thing. But yep, Indiana Jones. It sounds like fortune cookies in here. Dr. Jones? Okay, yep, but that thing's cool. It comes off. Just had to get it. Pretty sick. Okay, let's crack this one open. Look at this EK9, one of my favorite castings. Love this thing, love to custom. I mean, look at this artwork. It's insane. It is insane. So this is the what, silver series, silver whatever. Let's crack this open. Let's see what we get. Plastic wheels, but you get a fully detailed car livery, and it's a Falcon, which is always sick. Just needs a wheel swap. Oh, maybe get the metal base of the premium. That would be pretty sick. Metal base it, wheel swap. We'll see if I have some time. If not, you guys do it. Send me some pictures on Instagram, tag me, but I think that would be pretty sick. But yep, the EK9, love it. Get rid of this. Maybe I'll keep that artwork on the side. That's pretty sick. Save this one because I like to put my cars after I drill them out in that. This beast, I forgot about it. I did hear about it, but it is the new Fast and Furious set. Don't care, not really. Maybe I like that. But FJ, Toyota, matte blacked out, the beadlock wheels. I mean, come on. Oh, is this a first? This is a first casting, right? Brand new casting. So let's crack it open, see what it's like. Get that artwork. Sick. All right. Come on, FJ, be awesome. It feels good. It's not as heavy as I thought, which is weird. I thought it would be heavier because it's a fat boy. Look at that thing. It's a little fat boy though. But look at this beauty. Got that matte black and it feels like it. The blacked out beadlocks. I believe it's beadlocks. Go to Mustang Hunter's page. He knows every single wheels. But look at this thing. It's got the racks. Oh man, look at this little fatty, dude. It is crazy. Dude, this is sick. I love it. Awesome. Dude. Okay, hopefully they're gonna start making some lights for these so we can customize this. Maybe like a fluorescent pink with light green and blue. Nah, I'm just playing. Dude, this thing is sick. Oh, I love it. And then the smoke on windows make it awesome. I love it. It's sick. Awesome. Thank you, my brother Gregory. This I'm giving to my good friends. So we cannot open it, but we can definitely look at it. I mean, that pink. I mean, we've all seen that pink with the white. But it's the 69 Chevy Camaro SS. It's pretty sick. Yep. But cannot open it. I am sorry. Tag the people that open it on YouTube so we can go to that channel and check it out in more detail. Awesome. Now this one everybody's been opening because you have to. This thing is insane. It's a 1975 Monte Carlo, and this one, it's got the lowrider suspension. Is that what it's called? I'm not sure. The one that you can move the wheels up and down. Axles. Awesome. I cut the tape. Let's crack it open because I've seen people been posting it on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and this color is amazing. I've seen everybody opening it, so I couldn't wait. I just got it, but dude, look at this thing. The box is sick. Oh, it's just like the 64 Impala, right? Isn't this kind of like it? Where is my 64 Impala box? I do not know. Nope, I do not see it. That's alright, you guys tell me. But let's check it out. Oh yeah, they are right. They are absolutely right about this color. Dang, this is just like the that Kawabaga. The first one, the blue, the fire. Dude, let's check this thing. Oh, serious? Wow. Oh, it's got the speakers in the back. Can you guys see that? We'll zoom in. We'll zoom in. Oh, look. This is a long, long automobile. Look at that. Wow. Hold on. Let's turn on. We need, you know what? You know what we need? We need more lights. Hold on. Let's turn on more lights. Hold on. Is that a little bit better? I'm sorry. I forgot the iPhone light on this thing. Sheesh. Oh, look at that dashboard. Look at this dashboard. Oh, man. Interior is insane. Interior is insane. Jefe. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on now. Oh, sorry. Let's go back. What are we doing? Bounce. 3 wheels. Yep. It's awesome. They hit it out of the park. That color, that teal is ridiculous. It is ridiculous. It's beautiful. I love it. I am glad I got it. That thing is sick. Hopefully you guys got yours. Comment down below what you guys think of it. But, yep. That's a keeper for me. That is a keeper for me. On to the pop race. This is the one. I have the orange one, and it was ridiculous. It's the Huka Suka. This one is, I think, oh, this is not the chrome. This is the smoke. I don't know what it is. I thought it would be the black chrome. Hopefully it's the black chrome. If not, I gotta go and get it. But, fun little fact. I love this car. Second fun little fact. I named my dog that I had for 2 years. Gonna be 3. Suka. Short for Huka Suka. Yeah, my baby girl, my dog, is named Suka. I have to explain it all the time to everyone. But I mean, you know, they know I'm Japanese, so they're like, that's just something Japanese. But let's cut this open. And I did sharpen my knife, so this thing is sharp. So be careful, everyone. Is it the black? Oh my goodness. It is not the, oh, it is the black. Oh, it is the black chrome. Look at this. Look. It looked like it's just straight black. But it's because it's a black chrome. Oy vey. Hold on. We gotta wipe this guy down. We always gotta wipe it down. Just got it, but I don't know who's had their fingertips on it, but stop it. Stop it. Stop it. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, get up. Come on. Come on. All right, well. Black chrome drift Huka Suka. Weight is insane. Opening trunk. Let's see if we can zoom in there. Got a little something in there. Go back. Go back. Wide bodied out. Oh man, look at this lip. Carbon fiber lip. Sick deep dish wheels. So baby, does it roll? Does it roll? Of course it rolls. It's goddamn Pop Race. Freaking love Pop Race. Does this hood open? Oh, it opens this way, right? Yes. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, that's the best hood I've ever seen open yet. Did I break it or no? That's the way it is. Nope. That's the way it is. Oh, you know what? My bank account just went a little bit lower because I'm going to be buying more of these. 158%. It's the black chrome. Oh my goodness. Plastic rubbery mirrors. Interior got that perfect size roll cage. The bottom got the gold brass. Oh, look at that. Even the wheels, the kind of painted it in there. You see that? Exhaust pipes coming out the side. Can't really see the interior. I mean, I can, you cannot, but look at this thing. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. Damn, Pop Race. What can I say? It's one of my favorites. It's one of my favorites. Pop Race is... You guys tell me what you guys think of Pop Race and who's doing it better. Let's get a little comment going on. Let's get a little battle. But come on, man. The weight and the spinny wheels. You know you guys want to do this. Perfect. Perfect. Oh man. Oh man. Jeez. Damn, Pop Race. Alright. Alright. Happy Aloha Friday. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Helps my channel out. This was a good haul, man. Thanks to the homies. Thanks for the bradas that helped me out because I'm not really hunting right now. At least we still got ROC. I can still get this Pop Races. I gotta get all the colors now of this. I think there's like a Diet Coke one, which I don't like Diet Coke, but I think it's like in a black. It's a matte black. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, man. I think I'm gonna be spending my money on Pop Race, all of these Huka Sukas. I mean, my dog's name is Suka. I gotta get them all, right? Happy Aloha Friday. Have a great weekend. Thank you for spending your night with me. Have a great weekend. Hope you guys find what you guys looking for. Comment what you guys been finding. Thank you for the support. Love you guys. Aloha.